Hopefully you can hear this with the built-in microphone. So I'm grabbing the URL over here. I know you know how to do a basic blog post. It is different in Thrive, and oh my gosh, I learned you can either use WordPress or use Thrive. So going over here to add a new post, and my main intention is to show you how to do the button thing. Okay. So add media. I think. So insert media, source file, boom. Nice. Okay, grabbing the title and putting that up here. Grabbing the one paragraph. Sometimes it's a little longer than others. I'm going to put that above. Oops. And then below, let's see, I'll go to another blog post. Darren LaCroix blog. Grabbing what's underneath this. Copy. Erase. Putting that copy down here. And then I am going to edit in the Thrive architecture. I don't understand, but anyway, that's the way Tina set it up. I'm going to go over here to add element, click on button, and then I'm going to go to, this is the default button. So it popped up on the left hand, and I'll put click to discover how to deliver unforgettable presentations. Okay, and then over here, look, shadow. Do I want a shadow? I don't know. I don't want a shadow. Normal. Normal over. Okay. Obviously learning this as we go along. Apply text shadow. I don't want a text shadow. No. 0. I don't want that. Apply. Main options. So okay, I don't want the text. I want the button. Where's the button? Show me the button. Okay, I mean, I got to click on the button. There we go. Got to click on the button. Add the link over here. Button link. So go to new window. masteringpublicspeaking.com. Grab the URL. Oops. Grab the, oh, come on. Grab the URL. Bye-bye. Put that in here. Oops. Apparently, if you click on the outer part, you get the button. So paste link. Save work. I don't know how to get rid of this gap here. Okay. Edit content. WordPress content. Apparently you can do it from here. So I'm getting rid of that extra space. Save. Do a save here. And I would assume that is it. So publish. I'm going to go out there and see if it's there, make sure the link works. New window, Darren LaCroix, blog, it's there. I click on it. Click on it. There it is. There's the button. Click on the button. And boom. All right. Peace out.